د جامعہ قادریہ ام الخیر للبنات د اغبلا طالب العلم چې د دې تعلق د ملاکنډ خیبري جلسې سره دی هغې ته دعوت ورکوم چې راشي او خپل تقریر پیش کړي. هادیه.
In the name of Allah, the most beautiful and the most merciful, dear honorable and respectable principal, first of all, welcome to everybody Independence Day. It will be our honor to know that today is Independence Day. So congratulations to everyone Independence Day from me and good morning everyone. Today is 14 August. We are celebrating Independence Day. We put freedom on this day. We have national flag on this day. We thank our national anthem. We display freedom fighter. It is a national holiday. We is free. Every Pakistani celebrates Independence Day. Thank you.